how to type rainbow colored text on Discord. In this video, I'm going to show you how to type in color and an even rainbow or different patterns of color on Discord. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So typing in rainbow color is actually really easy using a free tool called texttrick.com. Now, full disclosure, I created texttrick.com, but once you get to texttrick.com, simply in the top menu, go to Discord color text. Also check the link in the description. I'll have a direct link there. Once you get here, all you need to do is type what you want in the bottom. Once you type whatever text you want to be rainbow or any other color, go ahead and select that text. And then to make it rainbow, just select the rainbow button, or you can make it any color you want. You can also change the backgrounds of the text. So I can have like a Christmas color or something like that. If you want to build custom color sequences, so not just rainbow, you can build that here by just selecting the colors, then highlight the text you want with that sequence, select apply, and then there you go. So now all I need to do to use this in Discord, and keep in mind, color text on Discord only works on the desktop app or browser. It does not work on mobile phones. So once you're ready, select copy for Discord, then go back and in a text channel, paste that in and hit enter, and you'll have that colored text just like you saw on the website. So that's how you make not only rainbow text, but all different types of different patterns of color on Discord. It's really easy. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.